I just thought I'd put this. I'm not making a cruelty to animals. I don't condone any cruelty to any animals. In no way have I staged any of this. It's just happened all this morning in the space of fucking an hour. Caesar's just caught a mouse. I feel awful. Shouldn't be filming this. I feel horrible. What should I do? Caesar's growling at me. He's never growled at me before. Poor little baby. I feel bad for filming this, but got a GoPro, you film everything, don't you? He won't let me touch it. I'd save it, but he won't let me touch it. Right, on with the video. Don't know what the fuck's going on today, but fucking Felix has just brought a bird as well. What the fuck, man? It's fucking feathers everywhere, man. What the fuck? Crazy cats, man. They're having a right fucking day today. Fucking hell! Jesus Christ! Can you hear him growling? Oh my god, what is going on today? Fucking mice, birds, fucking everything. I think I'm gonna make a stew. Fucking feathers everywhere. They're just fucking proper fucking predators, man. Kings of the jungle. On the walls, man, it's like a bloodbath. There's the culprit. Motherfucker! What the fuck, man? Oh, you bastard! Oh, what the fuck? Oh, that's got to be in the video. It's got to be in.